Well, here's my new sway bar that I'm going to install on my Studebaker. My Studebaker has a 67 Camaro front suspension clip on it, and I'm going to replace the original equipment sway bar for that vehicle with this big beefy heavy duty inch and an eighth, I believe, diameter sway bar. Well, here's our original equipment sway bar and our sway bar link. And what I'll be doing is just zipping out these two bolts, the sway bar link, and gonna have to remove this little stop. This keeps the sway bar from moving left or right. I didn't see one of those in my kit, so I may be reusing these. The sway bar is about 5/8 of an inch. So I'm roughly increasing the diameter of my sway bar about 2 times. So I ended up having to remove the bump stop on the driver's side because I kind of corkscrewed this thing through the cross members and all of that to get it up through there. And you can tell that it's quite a bit larger than the original. So as far as body roll and all of that, it should make a big difference. I just want to add that using these clamps to help position that sway bar where you need it, because on the sway bar anchor, it really helped me kind of get it positioned. And also I have my other one to kind of help pull it back. So anyway, this was a big help when you're here by yourself. Well, I've got everything tightened and installed on both sides, and I'm gonna put the wheel back on, and before long, we'll take it for a ride. All right, well, we're getting ready to go. And gonna get up on the highway here and get at some highway speeds. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm real happy on how the sway bar worked. Before, it kind of felt like you were riding on a soft beach ball before, but now it's nice and firm, and you just feel like you're in good control of the car and all of that. So as always, I appreciate y'all coming by the shop today. This is Rusty Glove Box, and I'm out of here.